Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. The number one reason for having a poop pyramid is an inexperienced RVer who leaves their black tank valve open. We want to keep that closed. We want that water to build up. Hey, let's talk about the all-important, all-serious poop pyramid. From time to time, in our RV lifestyle, we come across what we call the poop pyramid. Now that could be because our black tank is leaking, but a lot of times what takes place is we get overzealous, and when we dump our black tank, we don't add sufficient water. At our RV toilet, we have very little water. We go to the bathroom and we open up our toilet for our poop to flush. We begin to smell it, so we instantly close it off. We don't add a lot of water to, of course, what we've just pooped. Now, what takes place is our poop begins to pile up. And if we don't let the water rise and begin to break that down, and we constantly open up our black tank, what happens is all the water leaves, and we leave a poop pyramid. Ta-da! So the tech tip would be a couple things. First off is to add sufficient water whenever you flush. Every time you flush, let's hold that down for a good 5 seconds and allow water in there. The second thing is we want to wait till we're about 3/4 full before we go ahead and open up our black tank, if we can help it. Now I know that there's days that we have to leave. We'll go ahead and open that up. And when we do that, let's add some water. Go hook up your separate water hose, not the one you drink out of, but get you a different water hose and hook that up to your black tank flush. Go ahead and add some water. If you don't have a black tank flush, you'll have to go back in, have your city supply hooked up, and hold down your toilet and let water fill up. We want roughly about 1/3 of a tank full to prevent, of course, that poop from drying out. Now, from time to time, I'll talk about a product. Very seldom do I talk about it, but I do have one that meets the needs that I, to bring on to here. But here's a product that is bacteria-based and enzyme-based. It's actually called Unique, and they've got 2 different types. This is their RV Digest-It, and of course they have a tank cleaner. Well, I'm told with the tank cleaner, it's just 10 times more powerful than the RV Digest-It. This is a bacteria. They actually like their product so much that they actually send me a test sample. They don't send me that would be gross. But they give me dog food. Now, dog food actually kind of mimics a lot of what we eat. I can pour just a couple droplets in there, and within 2 hours, it is completely dissolved. So if you do have a poop pyramid, there's a company out there. It's called Unique Camping and Marine. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today.